Hi and welcome. So this is just a test. I'm trying to figure out a modality, a way where I can record it and then share it. Compositional sessions like this one, where I'm in a bed, on a sofa or wherever with my laptop, and I'm just creating something only with my laptop, right? And for this one, I'm trying to set up a system, a minimalistic system, where I have my camera, I have my laptop with the OBS and with my DAW, the Logic, and with my earphones with the microphone, and I can just record a session. Like, for example, now I'm talking to you, but then I can show you the session. This is my latest composition, and I can even make you hear, or you hear everything what I'm doing in the DAW, right? And even though the music is in the background, you can hear me, I can speak through, and hopefully you can understand me clearly about what I'm talking to you. And if there's something, important to communicate, then I can come back like this, have myself explaining to you something, but still you can hear the music, the composition in the background. Then I can return to the session and show you everything. Like this, for example, I opened the mixer, then I show you the VST that I'm using. This time is the Alchemy, and so I can close it down again, open the session. If I want something to say, I can say it like this, back to the session. And yeah, so I'm trying out if this thing is working. Then it's cool, because in this kind of moments of chill, I can really compose and share with you things that I do. So hopefully it will work. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you next time.